Hi everybody, let's have a look at the next word class for today is determiners. So determiners are words that go before nouns in a sentence, and basically they're telling you what the noun is actually doing in the context of the whole sentence. And this is a pretty easy group to understand. So the first type we're going to look at, probably the most important, are articles. So you've got two types. You've got the definite article, which in English is just the word the. So we've got here, for example, I can see the dog, and it is specifically this one particular dog. So that's why it's called the definite article, because definitely this one. There's also an indefinite article, which is basically a dog, or an if it's before a vowel, like an apple. So indefinite article, for example here, I can see a dog. It's not specifically the dog that you're already talking about, definite. It's indefinite. It's a dog. You're not saying specifically which one, but at any rate, that's that. So essentially, if someone says article in English, they're either talking about the definite article the or the indefinite article a. You've also got possessive determiners, and again, these are really easy to remember. It's just the normal possessive words like my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. So for example, if you put it in front of a noun, so it's like my cat, your dog, his legs, our house, your friends, their car, those possessive words are the possessive determiners when they're in front of a noun. Another thing that can act as a determiner are just good old numbers. So for example, when you've got one cat, two cats, three cats, four cats, there is a technical term, cardinal number. All that means is the numbers that you use for counting, as opposed to ordinal numbers, which are the forms that you use when you say what order things are in. So cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So one cat, two cats, three cats, four cats. Ordinal would be the first cat, the second cat, the third cat, the fourth cat, the fifth cat, the sixth, and so on. Ordinal numbers, that's easy to remember because it's just the order. Okay, so far so good. We've also got demonstrative determiners. We've got pretty much 4 of them in English, and that's this, that, these, and those. Wow, hang on. What the what? You just taught me those words last week, and in that case, you said they were demonstrative pronouns, and now you're saying that they're something else. The thing is that with all of these words, what often happens in linguistics is you have a word that actually can be 2 different categories depending what job it's doing. So you have to look at the context. And pronouns and determiners have a huge amount of overlap. Some linguists don't even consider them separate word classes. They actually just say they're the same thing. All right, I'll give you some examples here. So these 4, this, that, these, those, they do both jobs. This one here, that one over there. These here, those over there. They can do both jobs. If they're replacing a noun, they're a pronoun. But if they're in front of a noun, they're a determiner. So let's look at examples. Let's put the demonstrative pronouns we learned last week. I like this. I hate that. Do you want these? No, I prefer those. Those forms there are pronouns because they're replacing a whole noun. If they're in front of the noun and you're actually saying it, like, I like this house, then it's a determiner. So you can see the difference there. On the left, we've got the pronouns. On the right, we've got the determiners. Even though it's the same word, it's doing a different job. I hate that car. Do you want these socks? No, I prefer those sandals. I should have turned my camera off so you could actually see the word, but it's sandal. Oh, it doesn't matter what it is. Essentially, if it's replacing a noun, it's a pronoun. If it's before a noun, it's a determiner. Same thing happens with the indefinite pronouns. Most of them, not all of them, but most of them can also act as an indefinite determiner. So you might have something like, I want some. Many tried. Would you like more? I don't have any. So those are pronouns because they are there replacing the whole noun. If they were determiners, it'd be something like, I want some chocolate, or many women tried, or would you like more pizza? In these ones, you've said the noun. Like you've actually used it as a determiner, which is just in front of the noun showing the relevance to the rest of the sentence. I don't have any ideas. I don't have any. In the sentence, I don't have any, it's a pronoun. If you say, I don't have any friends, I don't have any ideas, I don't have any luck or whatever, then it's a determinant because it's in front of a noun. Alrighty. The possessives, I showed you to them before. There's actually, at least there's a slight difference between the possessive determiners as opposed to the possessive pronouns. So just quickly look at some examples. If I said, that's mine, is this yours? Is this hers? I don't think it's theirs. Those forms are slightly different to if it's a determiner. That's my bike. So mine and my, they are actually different. Is that your lunchbox? There's no S there. Is this her Instagram profile? See, again, there's no S there. I don't think it's their house. And that's about all there is to it.